Analytics is your portal to check out activation and usage data for your school. Let's take a tour of User Analytics. To access the SchoolCNXT Analytics website, point your browser to analytics.schoolcnxt.com. You will log in with the same username and password you use in the main web application and the mobile app. Please note that only district administrators and school administrators are allowed to access the analytics site. All other users, including teachers and parents, will get an error message if they attempt to log into this site. The site provides analytics across 7 different areas. The analytics are calculated in real time when you log in. You can click the refresh button to recalculate these numbers. Each of the analytics is displayed in a table that can be filtered by typing in the search field, sorted by clicking a column header, or exported using one of the buttons above the table. The User Activations tab shows the percent and number of active users by role. There is also a special calculation for families which combines guardians based on student relations. For example, a mother and father may both be linked to a student and only one has activated. Although that is 2 guardians with 50% activation, SchoolCNXT considers that a single family with 100% activation. As an administrator, you'll probably focus on the family activation numbers. That row will be highlighted in green, yellow, or red, depending upon the activation level. The User Activations tab also includes 2 pie charts that display the percent of guardians and families that are missing contact data, either email address, mobile phone numbers, or both. This calculation does not consider if an email or phone number is valid, only if one exists. The Teacher News tab shows the list of all staff and the news items they have posted. Draft news is news that has been started but not yet published. Pending news is news that has been submitted to a SchoolCNXT administrator for approval. Future news is news that has been written and will be published at a later date using the SchoolCNXT auto-publishing feature. Live news is news that has been posted and is visible in the app right now. Expired news is news that has been published but is no longer visible in the app. You can click the icon in the News Reads column to view details for the live news items, including how many people have read or liked each post. The Teacher Messaging tab shows the list of staff who have participated in at least one chat with either a user or a group. A teacher-to-teacher conversation is any chat between the teacher and only other staff. A teacher-to-parent conversation is any chat between the teacher and at least one parent. Each conversation type is split into time buckets by days to show how recently the chats have been updated with a new message. The Classroom Activations tab shows the list of all groups based on a class, grade level, or homeroom. The percent and total number of active students and families are listed for each class. The values are highlighted in either green, yellow, or red, depending upon the activation level. You can click the icon in the Roster column to view the list of students and their families within each class. The Classroom Activations tab also provides a way to share this information with your teachers or other school personnel via email. Click the envelope icon and choose who will receive this information. You can enter a comma-separated list of email addresses for the people that will receive the entire report, for example, a school principal or assistant principal. You can also choose to send this information to the individual teachers, in which case each teacher will receive an email with just his or her classes. It's important to note that any text you enter in the search field not only filters the rows you see in the table, but also filters the information sent in the emails. The Parent Contact Info tab shows similar information to the pie charts on the User Activations tab, but just for guardians. Unlike the pie charts, this information can be exported using the buttons above the table. The Parent Logins tab shows the percent of registered parents who have logged in during the given time periods. The Parent Messaging tab shows the percent of registered parents who have sent a parent-to-teacher or parent-to-parent message. Unlike the Teacher Messaging tab, parents aren't listed out. Each parent is put into one of the time buckets based on the most recent message sent. Your analytics portal will give you an instant snapshot of activation and usage at your school. It is a great tool to help you and your team work to increase family activations and continue to foster successful usage.